Hey guys, thanks for joining me on another video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to properly break down a whole chicken. It's very simple, very easy to do if you have the right tools and the know-how. That's why you came here, right? So please join me. Let's get after it. All right, let's prepare chicken. First off, let's start with the legs. You're going to want to make 2 incisions right here. We'll go ahead and start out with that. Just a small incision just to break the skin away from the leg and the other part of the breast. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just flip this over, put your 2 thumbs on the back of the joints right here, and then just snap the legs back. You'll hear a crunch, and you're basically separating these joints right here, right where I'm rubbing my finger. You're just going to separate those to make it a little bit easier to cut. Then next, you want to just take your knife and just follow that joint. Just make small little incisions, and you want to just keep your knife flat on the bone right where you cut, and it'll just cut like butter, just right off like that. So you want to do the same thing to the other side. Just cut right through. Very simple. Make sure you have a sheet pan so we can go ahead and put all of our pieces, organize them as we cut them. Then next, what we want to do is we want to separate the thigh from the leg. So you can see right here is where it meets. I like to just cut pretty much right where that meets, that incision. Pretty much if you just cut right straight down from there, you're going to cut right through the bone, just like that. Same thing with this one. Boom. And then next, we want to take our wings. We want to separate these from the breast. So I just like to cut back around the backside of the backbone like that. See how it's separating already? And then it's very easy just to go right around and just cut that right off. You can separate these if you want, or just leave them whole. I'll just leave them whole for now. All right, so same thing with this one. We'll just go right around. You can kind of feel it break as you cut through it. You don't even really need to cut through the bone. It just releases so easily like that. So beautiful. Then we'll go ahead and flip this guy over. And lastly, we want to just separate the breast from the carcass. I like to just take the skin and just peel it back like that. And then you want to feel for a wishbone right between these 2 breastplates right here. You can feel it, feel the bone on each side. Then I like to just go on the outside of that bone. And then same thing on this other side. And then you want to just go ahead and reach in there from the top, release that bone. This will just make it a little bit easier for you to cut the breast off. So it just snaps off just like that. You want to feel right here, right down the middle of the breastplate. We want to just go on one side of that bone. So I want to just keep my knife rested against that bone and then just go all the way down, just making small little incisions, being careful not to cut into the breast meat. Going from the front to the back. And you can just feel it all the way down. We'll go ahead and separate that right there. And then we'll just go all the way down. Keep your knife just rested on this bone right here. So you're making sure that you're not cutting into the breast. Do the same thing to the other side. Being careful that we just don't slice into the meat. Always stay to the opposite side. All right, so here's what we're left with. We have our chicken carcass. Make sure you save this, roast this off for about 15 minutes at 450, get it super dark brown, and then we'll make a chicken stock with that. So never waste these when you get a whole chicken. All right, so lastly, what we want to do is we want to separate our chicken tenders from our breast. So you can just kind of grab the chicken tender like that, cut it all the way down, and then same thing with this one. Comes right off. Lastly, I just want to show you how to take this white little tendon that could be a little bit tough if you try to cook it and then eat it. You don't have to remove this, but I always like to. So I'll just grab it like this, make a small little incision, and then you can usually take, if it's super slippery, you can just take a paper towel and then just grab the tendon and then use the back of your knife and then just press the chicken, and then out comes your tender. And I just like to clean up our chicken tenders a little bit.